Bacon Avocado Salad. Recipe by Kristen. This salad is a favorite during the hot summer months. Serve it on a bed of your favorite leafy greens with some garlic bread, and everyone is a happy camper. Ingredients: 1 pound bacon, chopped. 1 cucumber, diced. 1 cup quartered cherry tomatoes. 1/4 cup seasoned rice vinegar. Salt and ground black pepper to taste. 5 avocados, peeled, pitted, and diced. 1/2 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 4 green onions, chopped. Directions: place bacon in a large skillet and cook over medium-high heat, turning occasionally, until evenly browned, about 10 minutes. Drain bacon on paper towels. Stir cucumber, tomatoes, rice vinegar, salt, and pepper together in a bowl. Gently stir bacon, avocado, cilantro, and green onions into cucumber mixture.